Welcome to the Liquid Noble app. We'll begin this demonstration by creating a new customer account. Liquid Noble follows strong security standards. Passwords must be at least 12 characters. We support multi-factor authentication and passkeys, and we verify all emails with a unique code. Next, you'll choose a display name for transactions and a unique handle others can use to transfer ownership of holdings to you. There are two types of multi-factor authentication available. The first sends a unique code to your email. The second, and more secure, uses an app like Google Authenticator, which generates a new code every 30 seconds. To set it up, download a compatible app, scan the QR code, or enter the setup key manually. Then confirm pairing by entering the current code shown in the app. The sandbox version of the app doesn't show full price history. In the live app, charts reflect actual prices paid by our customers. Next, we'll look at the identity verification process. This step is required under AML and CTF regulations and helps ensure that the person registering is really who they say they are. For this demo, we've pre-filled the form with sample customer details like name, address, and phone number. For Australian residents, you can verify your identity using either a passport or driver license. Available document types may vary by country and can include national ID cards where applicable. After entering your ID details, you'll need to upload a scanned copy of the document along with a photo of yourself holding it to confirm your identity. ID reviews can take up to 3 business days, though we always aim to finish sooner. For this demo, we'll skip the waiting period. Once your identity is verified, you'll be assigned a transactional lockbox. It's used to store your precious metals and any prepayments in whichever currency is most convenient for you. Next, we'll set AUD as the customer's preferred display currency and link a matching bank account. Display settings can be changed anytime and don't need to match your payment method. We support local bank transfers in 7 different currencies, which are usually instant and free. To continue, the customer first selects a supported currency, then enters their local bank details, the account from which payments will be made. To verify a linked bank account, customers must make a deposit to the bank details provided. Before continuing, they need to acknowledge the daily deposit limit of 100,000 Australian dollars and confirm the account is in their legal name. Each customer is assigned a unique reference number for bank transfers. This code must be entered in the reference or memo field to help us automatically identify the deposit. Transfers with the correct reference are processed without any manual steps, and funds typically appear in Liquid Noble within a few minutes. For this demonstration, we've transferred 10,000 Australian dollars as a prepayment for an upcoming gold order. The funds should appear shortly in the customer's transactional lockbox. It's time to place our first gold order. We'll purchase 10 grams and pay using credit, which draws from the prepaid AUD funds already in the lockbox. Alternatively, we could choose to pay by debit or credit card. Just keep in mind that card payments have lower purchase limits. The quoted buy price is based on gold we already hold or what a supplier can sell to us within 5 minutes, allowing us to fulfill the customer's order at that rate. All important actions in the app require confirmation. You'll need a code from your Authenticator app to place the order, or a biometric scan on your mobile device. Buy orders are usually processed in under a minute. During this time, a segment of our gold reserves is allocated to the customer, transferring ownership without physically moving the metal. Next, we'll show how a customer can transfer ownership of their gold entitlement to another verified user on the platform. We're now going to select 5 grams of gold from the previously purchased segment and transfer ownership of the entitlement to another customer. We'll enter the recipient's unique handle, in this case, a second demo account we've set up, and optionally include a personal message with the transfer. Ownership transfers include a small fee, which is shown before approval. They're processed instantly and require MFA confirmation or a biometric scan to complete. The transfer appears in the transaction log with full details. We'll now sign into the second demo customer's account to view the transfer from the recipient's perspective. We'll check their updated holdings and demonstrate how they can sell the metal back to Liquid Noble if they choose to. This demo customer is based in Singapore and uses Singapore dollars. As shown, the entitlement transfer is recorded and the metals are already in the lockbox. This demo customer has already linked a Singapore dollar bank account, but it hasn't been verified yet. To activate it, they'll need to follow the same verification steps we covered earlier. The customer uses their unique reference code and makes a small deposit of 5 Singapore dollars. The funds arrive within a minute, and the account is verified immediately after that. Now it's time to demonstrate the buyback facility. This customer is going to sell 1 gram of gold from their entitlement. For the payout, we'll select the Singapore dollar bank account that was just verified as the destination for the proceeds. It takes a few seconds to generate a sell quote based on the current market price of gold. The quote comes from a supplier in our network who agrees to buy the specified amount from us at that rate. Once approved, we sell the gold from our reserve and initiate a fiat payout as quoted. Sell orders take a bit longer as we perform AML checks and submit reports to Austrac, but we aim to complete all sales within 2 to 3 business days. Once the sale is finalized, the order status updates in My Holdings, and all details appear in the transactions list. Thanks for watching this demo. If you have questions or want to try the app, contact us via our website. Goodbye.